Hello, dear children, class 8. This is your grammar book, Get Going Grammar, and Unit 1 revision exercise solution from 22 to 32 questions. So, let's begin the solution of this exercise. It's exercise 22nd, and the solution from 1st to 21 exercise is already given in the two parts of the video. So this is your third part of video. Let's begin exercise. You have to underline the interjection. Underline the interjection means what is the interjection word here as you use in the exclamatory sentences. So what is first one? Oh. Second, what a pleasant. Third is how beautiful. Fourth is hooray. And fifth is wow. Next exercise is the 23rd. It's correct the sentences. You have to correct these sentences. So this is the first correction in the sentence. He asked what he wanted. Second is she told that she was going to school for rehearsal. Third is he asked that whether I was a vegetarian. Fourth is there like he advised. He advised me to revise my course two times before I left for school. And the fifth one is he said that he was extremely delighted to meet me. So these are the corrected sentence for exercise 23rd. 24th is there. Again, correct the sentences. First one is he asked me when would I return from school. Second, the teacher asked me that where was my house located on Delhi border. And the next solution of the same is there. Third, my friend's mother asked me that whether I liked vegetable juice. Its fourth one is given the class monitor. So the class monitor asked me why was I late that day. And the fifth one is there. He asked me if I go for a walk every morning. The next exercise solution is the fill in the blank by using correct voice. So what will come? Manoj told. Second, last night I was informed. And the third one, there are rumors that due to recession, 50% of workers was. And the third one is there. What will come in third one? There will be were. Workers were. Fourth one is some terrorists were on the spot whereas were encountered. Some terrorists were encountered on the spot whereas some other were arrested. I I was told by my uncle that all the passengers of the hijacked plane were rescued. So these are the solution of this question. The next question is given there. The very first, you have to frame appropriate question to the following answers. Means you have to frame the question for this question. Answer is given, yes, my grandfather is still working. So what question will you frame for this one? इसके लिए आप क्या question बनाएंगे? Is your grandmother still working? क्या आपके grandmother या grandfather, यहाँ पे grandfather है तो आप यहाँ पर grandfather लिख लेना. Is your grandfather still working? अब एक आपका आंसर नेक्स्ट है, नो आई एम नॉट द फॉलोवर ऑफ आचार्य रजनीश, सॉरी. सो व्हाट इज देयर? This is the answer and you have to frame question for this one. Are you the follower of Acharya Rajneesh? Third answer is given this one. So how will you frame the sentence? You will frame the sentence, can you get the PM to inaugurate the helicopter service from Delhi to Jammu. So I have written beginning line, so rest line will remain same, no change. Fourth one is there, no, you can't discuss the confidential matter with anyone. So what will you frame the question for this one? Can I discuss this confidential matter with anyone else? So this will be your question. And the fifth one is given, should partners disown their own children in any situation? So these questions are from framed for these answers. Now 28th exercise, frame appropriate question to the following answer. So how will you frame? Like first question, आपको आंसर्स गिवन है या फिर लाइंस गिवन है, इनके बेस पे आप कैसे क्वेश्चन बना सकते हैं कि आपका ये आंसर रहे. तो क्वेश्चन बनेगा, where did you stay during your last visit to UK? What did Surjit tell you about my father? Next is what has your elder brother joined? Fourth one, where did the accident take place? And the fifth one, when did you meet her? So all of these questions are these answers, and these answers questions are there. नेक्स्ट 29 एक्सरसाइज फाइंड अप्रोप्रिएट क्वेश्चन टैग। अगर आपको यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन टैग बनाना है तो आप क्या करेंगे, जैसे ही इज द मोस्ट सो, तो आपको देखना ही इज ही क्या वो है, शी इज शी क्या वो है, ही इज ही। अगर नोट लगा तो इजंट ही क्या वो नहीं है, ही हैज है तो हैज ही आएगा यहाँ पर, और अगर हैज नोट होता तो हैजंट ही आ जाता। शी हैज तो क्या आएगा, डजंट शी, डजंट ही और डजंट शी, तो सी है यहाँ पे, तो डजंट शी आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, ऐसा चीज शी कर लेना यहाँ पे। मीन्स आपको हेल्पिंग वर्ब और सब्जेक्ट की हेल्प से आपने क्या करना है, यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन टैग बनाना है। अगर नोट लगा है तो साथ में हेल्पिंग वर्ब के नोट लगा देना, अगर नोट नहीं लगा है तो आप सिंपल क्वेश्चन को फ्रेम कर सकते हैं, लाइक शी हेल्प्स वन एंड ऑल, सो डज शी, यहाँ पर क्या आ सकता है, डज शी आ सकता है। डजंट शी तब आता है जब आपका क्या होता है यहाँ पर, अगर आपका शी डज नॉट हेल्प आता, तो यहाँ पर आप डज शी लगा देना, डज शी आपका करेक्ट आंसर होगा। नेक्स्ट आपका 30 में आपने क्या करना है, कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस विद द वर्ब। अब आपको ये वर्ब लगा करके आपने सेंटेंस कंप्लीट करना है। सो व्हाट विल कम इन फर्स्ट, ओपन, सेकंड हैज रिप्रेजेंटेड, थर्ड ओपन and have opened, produced and has produced, has invested, lost and earned. These are the answers in the fill in the blank. You can fill them. The next one is 31. Again you have to fill, what you have to fill, simple past or perfect tense. So what will come, present perfect. So first will come have completed, second has participated, third prepared, fourth sent and has repaired, fifth one will come we purchased, right? 32 is there, the song that she sang. So you have to use a simple past, means the second form and past perfect had plus third form. So second form and had plus third form. Next had, lived and second form discussed. Third had landed and had logged, arrived, and next will come met. So met second form will come there. So this was the solution of exercise 22 to 31. Thank you so much for watching the video.